Thank you so much for inviting me. So myself is Zulekha. Again, I want to share that it is from Zulu. Zulu because it's a short form of my name, so it's very famous and people like it and it is easy to remember as well. And it has a meaning behind it which is Zul and you. That's how it's called Zulu. Okay, so Zulu style is Zul, you and style, because I believe that when I do with my passion and I'm doing to you, so it reflects both of us. I'm nothing without you, so that's why I keep the name Zul, you and style. In my Zulu style, I've been providing styling and beauty therapies and a lot of different services which is mainly for your style and presence and health also for your scalp and beauty. Okay, so it was a young time. There was a disaster with my first haircut after my puberty. I was quite young and I was looking for a good hairstyle that day. So what happened is my mom bring neighborhood salon and the lady was assistant there. So she used to see me how the main stylist was cutting hair. That day my bad that I was there and she started cut my hair with the fear and maybe I was the first victim for her practice or what. So she was not at all confident. She was chopping off my hair like anything and I was like traumatic way because I was too young to tell her that stop please or I'm not liking it. I can feel I was not liking it at all, but I just take it, and then in the end when the haircut done, it made me look awful, terrible. So and on top of that, instead of asking for sorry, the lady says, because your hair like that. So it made me feel really sad that how can you destroy somebody's image like this? How I'm gonna show my face to my friends? So it was like very sad moment for me. And when I go back to home and I can't see my face for many days. Every time I see the mirror and it reminds me the horrible day when I had a haircut from her. So one day I was very sad and I was thinking that where was the problem, and then I realized that the stylist was the actually biggest problem because I was very young to tell her that what I am looking for. So that same thing happened when client come to us. Sometimes they don't know what they exactly needed, but if you are a good stylist, you understand their concern, you can deliver a better job. And they have to not just the service should be remain with them, especially the haircuts. You see, it takes few months to be with you. So every day you should wake up and should feel okay, thanks God you have such a stylist. Sometimes your hair play big role, but I must say that stylist concern and attachment is very important. So that's where I was I thought that I have to do something about it, and then that was my first ambition come in my heart that if I am a stylist, I will do fantastic and I will make everybody very happy for my haircut and styling. That time I was only can think of haircut. So now I grow more, and as and when I deliver the service that people like it so much, and it make me go into the styling and beauty industry more and more. And I have been learning since my age of 10, so it's quite long time that my never-ending journey of learning is lifelong. Okay, so I came Singapore for my hair styling diploma, which I done from Singapore itself. Before that also I was not exactly in a beauty industry, but I was in a computer hardware sale actually. But I was keep on learning and upgrading my skills because my passion was really to make myself and others look fantastic. So it makes me keep on carry on with this. I did diploma from Singapore, Pakistan, Dubai, but many of the places I've been learning and keep on learning. Yeah, I am a self-lover person first, then it teaches me, it gives me a lot of idea of how I should look good. So the journey of finding myself is keeping me calm and keeping me move on toward the learning skills to myself, and as well as when it comes to the passion and career, then the passion reflects there. So when I do for myself, it reflects to my client. They also can see that where I am coming from. So that's the best I could find myself, that I love self-reflection actually. I love myself and it reflects to others. This is the best part I found about me. Okay, so again, the Zulu style actually is a great combination of wants and needs, because every customer come to us, client, they bring some kind of photo images with the style we have been done to others. So whenever they bring, they want this. So to make look this, they should have a great texture as well. Their hair health should be good. It's not just the cutting hair and then sending them off. So I always work for this style and the hair care, because without the hair care, the style is nothing actually. The haircut, you will have it maybe for a while. For a short while, it will give you some happiness, and when you will go home, you wash it off, everything will gone. So I believe that hair look nice when they are healthy and shiny and soft, and as well as their scalp is good too. Okay, so I will suggest that no matter what, you should know what is your hair condition, what is your scalp condition, what is your hair condition. If it is oily and excessive of sebum or dandruff hair, but you are gonna get some style in it, it will keep you a lot of concern will arise, because you will do, no matter what, how good haircut is it, if it is oily, it will make you look flat face. And if it is frizzy and too thick and nice haircut done, it will never let you feel it the full happiness of this haircut. So I believe that hair care and scalp health is very important when you want to reflect the full beauty of style in you. So take care yourself, or keep checking about your hair texture and scalp is very important. And relevant product also is play a big role. When it comes to style, you see, we can very fast, we can cut maybe 1 hour, 1.5 hours, you will be done from us. How about especially when we living this hectic life and we have a lot of things to do, we have a lot of responsibilities to do, so everyone wants a quick, fast solution. So that's where it comes to a good care of your hair. A good styling and hair care definitely can longer your styling, and then you can enjoy hassle-free styling with you. Okay, here I feel that different culture and different hair texture also here, because a lot of expats come to us, there is a locals come to us. So what happens is, all of them are looking for a short and fast and quick styling styles in them. So whenever they come to us, they have these basic needs. It should always look nice. So that's the concern that we are bringing up now, and then we are providing our clients the best what we can give them, which is shorten their styling time and manageable, make it easy manageable. So previously we've been giving hair styling from very long time, because I started with the home-based service, and then I used to drag the bag and go home to home service. My first review was written by one of my Indian client. So she wrote a very long review, and where she mentioned that the best stylist and beautician in Singapore. So it was a really very big achievement for me from my first client, and the review was quite long, and then a lot of people start coming and commenting on this, and this review bring to the 300 threads of reviews. So it was like fantastic kick start for my career in Singapore, which lead me to many positive reviews, and today's date we have hundreds of good reviews, which says that how they feel after my service. Even today's date we have a lot of social media and word of mouth and all sort of I don't call them reviews, I call them love letters, and they just come like that. Okay, so now this time is, I see this time is more people are worried for their different prospects. Sometimes now they cannot travel, they cannot go out of the house also. Sometimes they have meetings, Zoom meetings, and they still want to look and feel good also. It's not about only sitting in front of computer and give yourself presentable, but same time they want to save their scalp condition, because they now recently we have faced a lot of clients who having severe stress issues, and then that's how their hair are dropping like crazy. Hair everywhere. Every second person coming to us and asking what to do with that. So we were providing the styling quite long time, and we are the pioneer of certain services which we brought into the market, and we are the most, I think only one who have rewarded by the certification of only in Singapore. So I feel very good about it. And then during the styling, a lot of people share with us, Zulu, do you have something for our scalp? Do you have something for hair drop? Because I'm not sure how they've been coming through me, but everyone actually, those have been visited to scalp hair center, health center, hair growth center, those who not going, those who doing themselves, buying the product and using it. But all sort of client was giving us a concern that this is what they are going through, and they were requesting us to do something about it. So few years before, I give a special attention to this sector, and I take a step brought forward to this, that I go for some trichology courses which I done from US and Singapore itself. That's how I bring this professional equipments with me, which can help us to find out and do the relevant detoxification and hair growth treatment accordingly. I'm from Pakistan but married to Indian, so that was my first concern, that the communication level. Because I see here a lot of people doing who is the Chinese market, who have a lot of salons everywhere, but very few I find who are doing the beauty in Indian sector, but nobody was greatly doing hair. So when I started this question and survey, that what a person looking for, so I found that my first question was who looking for a haircut, and there was about 100 over replies that me. So it was like for very excited, it made me really very excited, and I wanted to do for everybody. But then I was scared also, because this was the time when I was very new here. I thought everything is very expensive in Singapore, and what price I'm gonna keep, that was the biggest question for me. So what I did, that I started thinking to give somebody like a package type of service where I can add few value added services there. Then I make a small package price, and then I used to deliver to, I used to live in Jurong, so from Jurong to Punggol, Tampines, everywhere I used to go. Even during my pregnancies also, I used to go with my bag and everybody used to say, oh wow, that's my child will be very artistic then. And she is very artistic actually. So that's how I started, and then slowly I grow. So when I thought where should be my shop, so I took a very small place. It was at the 3rd floor, and trust me, there was no lock in between. So always I have to take the customer, then go up, then do customer, then send them back, and then lock the door. So I was like super skinny that time. Everybody asked me, how come you are so slim and smart? I said, don't ask. So that's how I started. Then slowly, because it was never ending request of my haircut, so it led me to open another place. It was never enough to, so that's how I keep on growing and making the service available for everyone. A lot of people don't know what's going on. Sometimes they have information through the internet, sometimes they have assumptions from their own that there must be this thing happening, that's why. So I want to make it very clear, and whatever I have learned through the trichology courses and other my trainings. I want to make it very clear, and I'm writing a book also for that. Especially it's gonna be really helpful for everyone who living in Singapore, especially because it will have a lot of feedback, which is literally we get from the client who day to day we deal. So we have done thousands of cuts and thousands of treatments. Everybody come to us and we exchange the feedback. So I love to hear everybody, and then I'm been growing quite fast level because we were salon, then we improved to the scalp sector, then now we are going towards the wellness. When I say wellness, there is a lot of things going on, like a food, like a stress. So we are embarking to this sector, which is quite new, but it is research and database is all of people who living in Singapore who've been coming to me. So I have done some survey where I'm located, and based on my client feedback and those surveys, we come up with some great innovation and revolution, which is I'm gonna present in 2021, and that's how I call it wellness. And that's the good connection between hair, scalp, and the wellness, which is your stress and the food. So I'm combining it and making a complete solution which is everybody can have advantage of. And I want to make it very simplified and very easy, which no one can say that, oh, they're having some issues, hair issues. Nobody will say that we have a hair issue, because we're going to bring amazing plan for them. Okay, I have 3 beautiful kids, and the marriage life was okay, good, but some challenges are there because of communication gap maybe, but we are dealing it with gracefully. Now I am a single mom, and my elder one is 12 years old, and then I have 5 and 4, so they are adorable kids, and when I am with them, I am one of their age. So they love mama and mama love them, and always I try my best to make my timings for family and work. That's all both my passion, my family also my passion, and my work is my passion too. There's a great thing that my family is involved. So my brother and his wife is there. So they both are my right and left hand. They are the ones who take care. So then I have a lot of time for my kids also. So we give and take a lot, and we take care each other's very well. So I love making TikToks and selfies, and I love food, and I love dance, and whenever I got time, I do some counseling with people who are facing hard time. I remind them, I empower them, I motivate them that the life is not ending today. So don't rush and make your every moment fantastic, because this moment is never gonna come back in your life. So I work for every moment 75% happiness. 25 I keep because sometimes the timing not right or what. So I give it a calmness and I keep quiet on those timings. So I learning a lot of mindfulness, and I have recently did the NLP practitioner course. So this is helping me a lot to do myself in alignment of my behaviors and my self mindfulness. This gives me a lot of confidence, and I'm not rushing thing anymore like previously how I used to do. So I'm feeling much better now than before. Okay, so as I said earlier, that the young generation very fast moving. So moving is good, but it should be calming mind, because they must listen what is going on, they must understand it. So I will suggest not the youngster but the elders, like parents, that we should listen our kids where they are coming from, because we sometimes give them extra stress, and then that's where the thing is that they become very hyper. So whenever you listen them, go into their shoe. Try to feel that how they are feeling when they are coming to you, and when they made a mistake, just feel that you are the person, you are the child, and you did the mistake. So what's happening to you? Once you will reach to their shoe, I think you will find out a better solution to talk on it, and that's where you will know where your child is coming from. So that's what I do usually. Okay, you see, when we go for styling, we do not have anything for scalp. So when we go for scalp and hair centers, we do not have much for styling. So if you find both, by luck, but there is nobody talk about your stress management and pain management and body insight. So through this new value added service in my Zulu Styles solution providing, we are bringing bioelectroenergy therapy. So this bioelectroenergy therapy is helping a lot of our clients to get a sleep recovery, which is very important for many sectors, because in our body many things are going on. So sometimes when you give some kind of best treatment from your center for your scalp care side, but then you can't tell them that okay, go and take a good sleep. We usually say, we hear this and we say this many times, that a good sleep is good for hair growth, a good food is good for the hair growth, but how much we follow this? We go home, the moment we step out of the salon, everybody will forget this and they think this is some kind of a dialogue which we have to finish the service and have to give. So I thought about it and I go into the deep detail, and then through my master, who is a Chinese, Mr. Lim, so through him I found this amazing therapy which helps a lot for pain management, for hair growth, for body slimming, quite number of factors inside. So I given special attention to this and I learned body therapist diploma from ITech and I got a distinction in that. So I wanted to become a doctor actually, but somehow my circumstances was not so good, so it lead me to take arts, and then I did graduation in arts only. So what happened is this, when Mr. Michael have demonstrated this amazing treatment, it really was eye-opener and it touched me so much, because he delivered this service to one of my staff who was having severe migraine pains. So when he did for her and she was like snoring, so I feel like, oh my God, it's like it was so touching for me. And then when I find out how I have to become a therapist to do this service, it was quite a lengthy process, but I am a life learner, as I sharing and keep on sharing that I love learning. So when he said that you have to go through a diploma, which says the body therapist diploma, I didn't have any body therapy diploma earlier, because I coming from the beauty and hair background. So I took courage and I went for the course. 6 months I did the course from ITech Singapore, where I get the distinction, and then 90 hours of training with this machine, which is bioenergy therapy. So in this therapy we do not touch the direct equipment to your body, but through my body and hands, through my hands actually, and the meridian points, we remove the toxic pains, and it helps greatly to dead cell regeneration. So it is amazing thing which I am very happy to have it with me, which will definitely gonna help a lot of people to get their amazing hair growth actually. When your scalp is well taken care and you have a sleep recovery, what is left behind is food. Yes, we always look down upon our food because we eating anyhow, and sometimes we have some plans but we are not doing right. So I took extra effort for this side, and I am bringing hair based DNA test, which will create a report. Anybody with this simplified report can follow their lifestyle and can bring a lot of goodness and right nutrition for them. So this is my next second big revolution in my plan, which is gonna be really helpful for everybody who is sick and tired of not getting a good hair growth. So this DNA report we will help. This is a German technology, but we will help to provide our client so then they can have easy understanding on their food and nutrition, what they've been taking and what they should take, what they should not take. So followed by the hair DNA test report, we are collecting all over Singapore, whoever living here, and the environment and the water, and then based on this we are formulation our in-house product, which gonna help categorize weight manners. Like there will be few categories which is generally people how living in Singapore and using the water and how the frequencies are they are going through. So this in-house products will be very personalized, and then this will be definitely gonna great help for their hair growth and beautification and their self. I think it's gonna be really good. Okay, so when it comes to highlight and color service, we were giving a lot, and past about few years we have stopped doing at the salon level. We are doing a color creation based on your combination of the best amazing product which we've been using it. So I found that this highlight and coloring service which gives immediate effect to you, but for the long run it's really very bad. So now with this color creation, which is we were combining from your sort of hair texture, so it is going to be great help. And we do not call it dye or hair coloring service, but we call it color creation by our Green Glam initiative, which is plant based and super safe. I have really what you say is very true, that many people have write everything. So there was one review which says that all the reviews are very true. I don't find a word to put here because everybody says everything. So all the reviews are very true. And there was another one more I must like to share. That one client I did haircut, the husband wanted to have long hair and she wanted to have short hair. So when husband wanted to have long and she wanted to have short. So what I did, I cut her hair in a way that looks like short but the length is long. So when she go outside out of the salon, and when the husband saw, he say wow, because he can see the length is there and she can see herself with the short hair. So she wrote a review very lovely that I don't believe that she can read our mind, but she can read our husband mind too. I can very well remember it. It was a kind of very cool review about me. Okay, after the haircut, keratin treatment, because everybody love our keratin experience. We do not call it treatment, we call it experience, because the way we've been treating people's damaged and bad hairs and making them so smooth and nice for very long time. So now our keratin comes super safe manners. We have 8 different type of keratin combination for every hair to deal with. Even very tiny, very sensitive scalp also can do, pregnant ladies can do, and breastfeeding moms also can do. So it is really very good and everybody is enjoying it now. So we are very good in keratin treatments actually. How can we provide service only to women in the house? So it's a home for everybody. So this homecoming for men as well, because I feel that they, poor thing, they always left out with the styling. When it comes to style and care, they always behind. So at this time, this point of time, I want to highlight their issues and I want to give them best treatment which can suit them, and they can easy manners they can carry along with this hair fall issues and other daily usage of products. So we've been working on this, and it's a good news that now men's also gonna get a lot of goodness from Zulu Style. And I would like to invite all of you to look for analyzing for yourself, because your hair and your body and your beauty need a good consultation or analyzing, because we want to hear you and then we want to have your feedbacks, and through the personalization we will deliver the right service to you. So one consultation, one analyzing is very important. Do not neglect it. Come to us and we will definitely help you and will make you feel family. Thank you for watching. Bye.